Welcome to Comfort Ready Home. This video shows some defining moments from a training titled Evaluating the Home as a System. This workshop and others are available by request for utilities and participating contractors. Comfort Ready Home workshops are developed and presented by experienced professionals with a welcoming environment. Attendees can develop their skills and earn CEUs through open team discussions, real-world scenarios, collaborative hands-on experiences, technical training, solution skills development, and ongoing support. Join us next time to learn more about how you and your team can attend the next training. Please reach out to info@comfortreadyhome.com. Real comfort, real savings, real smart.